Welcome to my channel, Afri-kan, where you can do your Afrikaans homework, you can get it right, you can say it, you can learn it, and it'll be less stress for everybody. Today's sound is the y. The y. In English, it would be a J. J. In Afrikaans, it is y. We're going to have so much fun. It's a really cute little Jakkals wanting to meet you. We can even give him a name. Let's get started. Okay, do you see him? Do you see him? I see him. I spot the Jakkals. Oh, he's so cute. I think we'll call him Jannie. Jannie Jakkals. Okay, there we have our Y, our J, our Y. And there's our boy. Maybe that's, maybe his name is John or Johannes. Yeah, for Johannes. I don't know. Maybe you have a name with a J. Or a Y, as you'd say it in Afrikaans. Lucky you. It's your day today. Okay, ons het 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 woorde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, kom ons begin. The one is pointing. Who? You. Wie? Ek? Jy. Yes, the eerste woord is jy. Who? You. Yes, you. Jy. Waar was jy? Hoe is jy? There. Jy. Now the y, the Y in Afrikaans sounds like an A sound in English. Just remember that. So this entire word, the y and the A become yay. So you must say this one with a smile. Like you just haven't seen your friend in a while. Baba's yay. Yes, there we go. Let's say it together. Yay. Yay. Oh, and it is cold today. Yes, it is cold. So we need a warm jacket. We need a jas. A warme jas. A warm jacket. Jas. 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 Die jas. Warme bruin jas. Met die wol en alles. The wool that's on the edges, yeah. Well, we all know this is Pinocchio. And what happens to Pinocchio's nose? Wat gebeur met sy neus as hy jok? If he tells a lie. As jy jok. If you are lying. No, it gets bigger. Imagine. Ja. Oh. Let's say it together. Ja. Oh. Jok. Jy jok. If you're telling a lie and someone knows you are, mom and daddy, auntie, uncle, teacher, jy jok. You're lying. There we go. So, don't lie. The nose is going to get big. Oh, here's a baba. He's so small, only a little bit of hair, still in nappies. That means he's young. He's very small. Hy is jonk. If you say someone is very young, hulle is jonk. They are young. So yeah, let's say it together. Ja, o, n, k, jonk. Ja, o, n, k, jonk. So this n is not a for yum, it's n. Your tongue goes behind your teeth. N, jonk. Lovely. And there's, would we say what's his name? Jannie Jakkals. I know he looks like a fox, but jackal and a fox kind of look very similar. And it's like they're like cousins, you know, like you and your cousins look like family. Yeah. So a Jakkals. Ja, a, k, als. Jakkals. One more time. It's quite a long one. Jakkals. Jakkals. Good. We got, yeah, we went from a two letter word all the way to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letter word. Good. Okay. Let's say it all together. All 5 words. All 5 words. Yay. Yes. Jok. Jonk. And let's give ears. Jakkals. So let's try to do actions for all of them. One more time. Jy. Jas. Jok. Jonk. We can do jonk like papa. En Jakkals. Give him some ears. Give yourself some ears. There we go. Good job. Good job. You've got actions for each one. Yay. Next, let's do some sentences. We've kind of been talking about things, but let's see. Okay. Waar was jy? Often if you were playing outside and it's dark already, mom and daddy ask, waar was jy? Where were you? Waar was jy? Waar was jy? Okay, because it's a question, it gets a question mark at the end, that little one with a dot at the bottom. I'm not sure which one. Question mark. Okay, let's see here. I can do one with jas, because it's called dit reën buite, ek dra 'n jas. So, dit reën buite, it rains outside. Ek dra 'n jas. So, want dit reën buite. Yeah, I think that's better. Because it's raining outside, I'm wearing a jacket. Want dit reën buite, dra ek 'n jas. So, want dit reën buite, dra ek 'n jas. There we go. Nice long sentence. Okay. What about Jannie Jakkals? Let's make a scene with Jannie Jakkals. He's like an orangey brown, as well, oranje bruin kleur. So maybe we're looking for him, you know. Waar is Jannie Jakkals? So we can say, where? Waar is Jannie Jakkals? It's a nice one. Waar is Jannie Jakkals? Question mark, end of your sentence. Good job. Well done, everybody. You've done beautiful. Al julle kleine jakkalsies. Onthou, moenie jok nie. Well done today, everybody. You've met Jannie Jakkals. Maybe he'll come visit again soon. We'll have Jannie Jakkals come visit, I think. I'll look for a puppet and we'll have Jannie Jakkals with us. We have put on our jackets or yassies in the cold weather. Please, if you need more sounds, you need more practice, go look on my channel in case you missed something or you're still looking for more sounds or to do more practice. Please go look on my channel, Afri-kan or at African Learning. If you're looking for it on YouTube, find it, subscribe so you know when there's a new video, or to find it easily. Often in the search, it's difficult to always find something that you're looking for. If you want a better quality video, I do record in HD. Please go to the settings at the bottom of your page and click on the biggest number, and you'll get a better quality video. If you'd like to email me, mommy, daddy, auntie, uncle, au pairs, whoever the tutor's helping you, and there's a sound coming up or an oral, a project that you have, please email me at tolearnafrikaans.com, and I'll see what I can do to help you. Make a whole video just for you, your class, your school. If you have a poem to do for assessment, I know that's coming. Okay, no problems. I'll see what I can do. If you're looking for posters, my posters are from Inner Flash. She has lots of resources, ones that correlate with the posters and activities and workbooks. It's great. Oh, don't forget to hit the notification bell, boom, so you know when there's a new video. It's coming. Lots every week. See you.